Hi, I'm Bobby, KE7FEI, and today we're going to go over the H9 radio and yes, connecting it to your Odmaster app to talk over it? You mean I can talk on my H9 into my Odmaster app? What? Yes. Yes, you can. And I'm going to show you how to do it, and we're going to do it right now. So you can do it one of two ways. You can hit the Bluetooth button and turn it on, or you can go into your menu, go down to your Bluetooth, and turn it on.
Confirm.
Now your Bluetooth is on. That's all you're going to do with the radio for right now. Set it down. You're going to take your cell phone. You're going to go into your Bluetooth settings. And now this is where it gets kind of interesting. You have TDH90689BLE and TDH90689. You're going to want the one that's just 89. It'll say, you want to connect, pair it.
Bluetooth connected.
Now your Bluetooth is connected. Guess what you're going to do now? You're going to set the cell phone back down. You're going to pick up the H9 again, go into your menu settings, go into your radio settings, and I believe it's menu 27. There it is, your PF1 press, which is this key right here. So you go into there, and you should select ODPTT. Now what I do, so I don't press any other keys, is I turn the PF2 off. And now, put the radio back down. Open up your Odmaster app. Make sure to sign in. There we go. Waiting for it. And then pick a group like FRS Roundtable. And you should see like the little icon here. Let's go live and see if it works. Good afternoon, Roundtable. This is Bobby, and I'm doing a test on the H9 over the Odmaster app. Can I get a reply back from anybody, please? Heard that. Loud and clear in West Texas.
Hey, Bobby, you coming in loud and clear, man.
They hear me. Outstanding. Thank you so much, everybody. And there you have it. So,
loud and clear in Phoenix, Arizona.
The H9 talking over the Odmaster app. It is that simple. If you guys have any questions or need any help with anything, please reach out and let me know in the comments below. And if you can, please hit the subscribe button. It helps out very much. And if you even liked it, you could share it too. That's all I have now for everybody. Thank you so much.